Guys, so this video is going to be about how to make your own DIY shirt. So you want to get this paper, Avery Paper, that's the company. I think it costs like $5 or something, but then it's like more rough than actual paper. The back is smooth. So you would want to color on that paper, or just buy some and print them. I'm going to show you guys one of my designs, a completed shirt, and that's what we're going to be making today. I've already drawn out the rest of the other shirt, but I haven't ironed it on, so then that's what I'll be showing you guys how to do. Okay, see you guys in a bit. Shirt that I already made, and so it says Judas Fish Fam, has the YouTube sign, a lightning bolt, an alien spaceship, the like button, an alien, if you can see that. Okay, yeah, can you see alien? And let's just go like that. A star and like a kind of health sign. So that's the shirt, and I'm gonna make another shirt that I will show you the paper from it in just a second, like what I drew. First you need to find a shirt that either has like a small label that you can cover with this, or like no labels. It's best if you do no labels. Like, well, this one has a label, but if you can see, the shirt has a small enough label to cover it. But you want to cut the paper. So that's what the problem, because you need to cut it so that the edges are rounded, so it won't peel. So let's cut the paper and find a shirt. In 3, 2, 1, lift off. Here's the picture that I drew for the second shirt that I will be ironing on for you in just a minute. And it says, I want to believe, with an alien spaceship. Like, I want to believe in aliens, like that type of thing. So now let's iron it on. I found the shirt, and the shirt is right here. Yep, this is the shirt I'm using. An old Adidas shirt that I had. I don't wear it anymore, so I'm gonna use it. But now we need, okay, scissors. Now we've got our scissors, right? So let's put these down. And now we need a paper that we just saw. This one. We have one important part that I missed. You need to cut the edges so that it won't peel while you're it won't peel off the shirt. So like while you're playing, doing whatever you normally do. You don't want it to come off. Okay, we're about to go super speed. Okay, now's my time to say, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more notifications. Even if you don't like my channel, please just subscribe. You do not have to click the bell. You will not see more videos. And if you do like my channel, please subscribe. I need all the subscribers I can get. if I gain more subscribers, and I can put ads in and get money, and then I can make the quality of my videos better, and I can get more like cameras to film with. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more notifications. Bye! Okay, now that I have cut the corners, I will take this shirt and I'm gonna look at where it looks best on the shirt. The shirt is pretty big, so I'll have to look around a bit. Make a few decisions. Okay, first you need to stretch out the shirt. Then angle the part onto the shirt, onto where you think it should go, or where you want it to go, eventually. Where you will, in the future, put the thing. So, let me show you guys where I chose to have it on the shirt. Like this. I want to believe alien thing. So, now that we've found out where we're gonna put it, I'm gonna show you another example that I made. I made it right before this. And here it is. So, I had a picture of it on the front intro part, or the front picture of this video. It's this. Kind of like my own homemade merch. You show us fish fan. That's what I call you guys. Because my nickname's Luda Barracuda. And it's a fish. You should get it by now if you don't get it. Okay, so now we're gonna go to an ironing board and we'll iron it on. But always have a parent or guardian just have an adult do the ironing part. So a parent or guardian or someone like that. So let's head over to the ironing board and iron on the shirt. Well, not iron on the shirt, iron on the paper to the shirt, but you know what I mean. Now I say it again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more notifications. I can see how much viewers I've been having, and I know that not all my viewers subscribe. Actually, barely any of them subscribe. I've had over 1,000 viewers on if you combined all the episodes or the videos. But I only have 420 subscribers. So, please subscribe, like, subscribe, and click the bell for more notifications. Bye! If you guys subscribe, then the next video I make, then I will try, if you guys can make it so that it's like one that I can do at home, then I will try to do that video. Deal? It's a deal with me if you guys subscribe. Okay, comment down below what video you want me to make next. About what, if you want me to make a Fortnite one, I'll make a short gaming one. I'll make like a shirt that's like gaming one. Let's see, one that has a challenge, like a hot sauce challenge. You guys like those. Let's think, a stop motion one, or one about how to make about money making. And then you guys can vote like what. First, you put down a vote on which one you want it to be, and then you vote like, say you want me to do a challenge, then you could vote like hot sauce challenge. And whichever has the most votes wins. Okay, let's get back to making the shirts now.